It's not hard when you feel inspired. It's hard when you don't. There are days when everything in you wants to stop. You feel tired, unseen, unmoved by your own goals. You question why you even started. You scroll, you delay. You wait for the feeling to return. And sometimes it doesn't. That's the quiet conflict no one talks about. You care about the outcome, but in this moment, you don't care enough to act. So you sit there, between who you are and who you said you would become. Nothing dramatic happens, just a small decision to move anyway or not. Strangely, this is the moment that shapes you most. Not when it's easy, not when it's exciting, but when it feels empty and you choose to continue.